The key to keeping your hats looking fresh is to routinely clean and maintain them. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to care for your hats. Here are the materials you'll need. 1. Ready-to-use foam hat cleaner. 2. Delicates cleaning brush. 3. Ultra Delicates cleaning brush. 4. 2 premium microfiber towels. 5. Repel. The first step is to dry brush the entire exterior and interior of the hat using your Delicates cleaning brush. This will help remove any top layer dust and dirt. Take note of the direction of the fabric for each respective panel and brush in the same direction. Next, apply a liberal amount of ready-to-use foam hat cleaner onto the bristles of your Delicates cleaning brush. You may also use your Ultra Delicates cleaning brush if you prefer a softer bristle. Then, using light pressure, brush the fabric with a back and forth motion. While brushing, it's helpful to use your premium microfiber towel to push up from the interior of the crown using your non-dominant hand. Repeat these steps until the stains have lifted. Next, use the other premium microfiber towel to continuously dab and twist the material to soak up as much liquid as possible and to help lift any remaining stain. Once the exterior of the hat is cleaned, repeat the process along the interior sweatband if needed. Lastly, allow the hat to fully air dry in a well-ventilated area. Once your hat is clean and dry, we highly recommend applying a coat of Repel to protect against spills, dirt, and weather. To apply Repel, hold the bottle upright 6 to 8 inches from the hat, prime the trigger several times, and spray mist evenly covering the entire surface area. Do not oversaturate. Allow the hat to completely dry before exposing it to liquid or dirt. A few notes before we wrap up. 1. It's best to clean your hat sections at a time, working your way panel by panel until the entire hat is clean. 2. We recommend that you clean the entire exterior of your hat to avoid creating any isolated water stains. 3. Hats are commonly made from delicate materials such as polyester, wool, cotton, or felt, so having a light touch is important. 4. If the material inside the brim is cardboard, avoid oversaturating to avoid deformation.